Are your staff loading up the computers with too many software products that you don't know about? I don't know what that could be. It could be anything. A big pile of software where they're just putting all kinds of stuff on there. That looks interesting. Voice command, streets and trips, maybe even things you've never heard of. All sorts of things could be going on there. All kinds of products. Is that going to affect your network? Is that inviting anything into your network? Have you thought about how it makes your computer behave? Is it going to go slow? Is it compatible with everything else on the network? Have you just invited disaster into your network? Have you got a software policy, a policy which dictates what is on each machine? What's allowed to be installed? What's a business product? What do you need to get your job done? That way when you do maintenance, you can say, that product shouldn't be there, please remove it. Or you can also put down that this product needs an update. It's a known product like Chrome or Adobe or Java that should be checked routinely to see if there's an update, because Windows Updates looks after Windows. What looks after Adobe or Java? Or in this case, maybe some game or Steam or something you don't know about. So have you thought about a staff software policy? Have you thought about what it should have in it? What staff should be allowed to install? What permissions they should have? If you haven't thought about it, maybe it's time to give us a call or email helpdesk@btponline.com.au.